sing that shit.
This is the NordicTrack Treadmill. It is so super easy to use. We've got incline features right here, start stop right here. The speed goes up to incline 10. I believe it also goes up to speed number 10. There's a really great digital display right here. It shows you the laps that you're doing. And let's just pop it on real quick, just so that I can show you what we are getting ourselves into. Super easy to use. Like I said, it goes on really smoothly, really easily. You can adjust your incline like so, and it is going to just take measure of all of those stats for you.
7 features I love about the NordicTrack Treadmill. It links up to iFit on your device and takes complete control of the treadmill, so you don't have to change the incline or speed. You can use iFit with the NordicTrack Treadmill to travel around the world, doing walks and runs in places you might never get to go to in real life, or maybe places to put on your bucket list. It has handy pockets at the side so you can store water bottles or anything else you might want to bring with you on your workout. It has a handy little shelf to rest your iPad on. You can change the incline on the left side of the main screen by just tapping the buttons, or you can use the arrows on the bottom of the console, making it super easy to get super steep. You can also change the speed on the right hand side of the console with preset buttons, or use the arrows at the bottom of the console. And you can fold it up so it takes up so much less space when you're done, really easily.